This is not a criticism of the Gurdy design, but when I made my Gurdies, perhaps because I've got a 3D printed bridge, I found it difficult to adjust the height of the bridge. It's easy enough to make it go upwards by tightening this screw here, but to bring it back down again, it tended to get stuck, so I had to loosen up the strings and take the top of the bridge off and move the little triangular bit back down again. And as a result of that was that I could only adjust the height upwards and not downwards. So I decided to design a different bridge suitable for 3D printed bridges, whereby it's possible to adjust the height of the bridge up and down using a thumb wheel. So I'll just assemble this now and show you how it works. So these are the parts that you need. This is a new 3D printed bridge, and this is for the version 6.1. By the way, the bridge is slightly different for the earlier versions. So I put a design for Thingiverse for a slightly different bridge for earlier versions. You need the two string rest risers there and the thumb wheel adjustments, all of which I'll put the STLs on Thingiverse, and a couple of lengths of studding. That's 3 M3 studding, 20 millimeters long, 2 of those, and an M3 nut. If you don't have studding, it's okay, you can just take a M3 bolt and cut the head off. So we assemble it. First of all, we put the nuts inside the thumb wheels like that, so that nut goes in to the thumb wheel. It's quite a tight fit. In it goes. The studding screws into the top riser, so we'll screw that in, do it up nice and tight. I use a surgeon's forceps just to hold the studding while we tighten up the riser to its full limit. Then we take the thumb wheels, stick them in their slots, so make sure that the thumb wheel is central. You can see the nut through the hole in the top. Take the riser, plug it in there and tighten the thumb wheel. Now it takes a lot of turns of the thumb wheel because the gearing is so high. A lot of turn of the thumb wheel in order to get the riser to move a small way. So you tighten that up. And you can see the riser coming down. Tighten it all the way up until the riser reaches the bottom. There we are, the riser's at the bottom. Now you do the same for the other side. That's the other side. Now the other side's done. And we have a bridge that we can install on our Nerdy Gurdy, and we can adjust the riser up and down even while we're playing or tuning the strings. I'll just stick it on my Gurdy now. So here we are, I've installed the bridge on my Gurdy. I found the secret of the adjustment is to adjust the height using the thumb wheel until the string is absolutely parallel to the surface of the wheel. So you raise the string by turning the thumb wheel clockwise until the string is parallel to the wheel, and then put your cotton on and it should sound reasonably good, and then you can fine-tune the bridge up clockwise, down anti-clockwise, until you get the best sound. If you can make use of this, well and good. Thank you for watching my video.